Hey kids, there's something in the magic mailbox. Let's see what it is. Valenslime. This little girl, Victoria Franken, she made Goop come to life one day. And ever since, they've been the best of friends. But Victoria realizes Goop doesn't have any other friends but her. So she decides it's time to go back to the lab and make some friends for Goop. I wonder what's going to happen. Let's find out.
Valenslime. Victoria Franken was a slime scientist. She loved her slime. Her slime, Goop, loved her back. Slime facts. Slime is a polymer. Slime is a non-Newtonian fluid. It's not a liquid or a solid. Goop's gallery. He bubbled with enthusiasm when they experimented in the lab. He oozed contentment when they read science books together. He bounced along happily when they walked Igor in the park. Yes, ever since the stormy night, Victoria brought Goop to life. The two had enjoyed their time together. When Valentine's Day rolled around, Victoria made 20 slime cards for her school friends, a doggy bone card for Igor, and one extra special card for the slime. As she admired her cutting and gluing, Victoria realized something. She had lots of friends. Goop only had one friend, her. That didn't seem fair. Luckily, Victoria had an idea. Igor, we must experiment. Victoria and Igor gathered materials, snuck to the attic, and locked the door behind them. If Goop couldn't make a new friend, Victoria would make a new friend for him. She considered using her favorite slime recipes. Snifftastic flour slime. Mouth-watering chocolate slime. Magical fairy slime. But none of these slimes seemed quite right. What ingredients would make the perfect friend? Igor, something smart. Igor, something sweet. Igor, something fun. Now all she had to do was wait for a lightning storm, and zap, her creation would jolt to life. She waited, and waited, and waited. Victoria sighed. It looked like lightning wouldn't strike. She would have to take matters into her own hands. Igor, fetch me some wires. After tinkering and tuning, Victoria was finally ready. She hit the switch. The slime foamed and frothed. It splattered and sparkled. It sent a cloud of sugar into the air. Victoria held her breath as the glittery, gooey creature crept over the side of the beaker. This was it. She had done it. She had made a friend for... Uh-oh. The slime was still growing. Bigger and bigger and bigger. Before long, it stretched all the way to the ceiling.
Uh-oh.
Victoria had to do something fast. Igor, pull the plug. But the slime kept growing. She tried to catch it. Igor, the vacuum! But the slime wouldn't be contained. She attempted to freeze it. Igor, ice cubes! But the slime wouldn't stop. Victoria and Igor slipped from the room as the shimmery goop filled the attic. Just as it started to squeeze out the door after them, the giant slime burst into 10 regular-sized slimes. Victoria and Igor stared in shock. What had she done? She hadn't made Goop a new friend. She'd made him lots of new friends. Victoria introduced Goop to her latest creations. The slime quivered with happiness. From that day forward, Goop and the other slimes spent a lot of time together. They did their own experiments. They played slime games. They taught Igor new tricks. Goop was thrilled with his new friends. But that didn't change the fact that Victoria would always be his best friend. He loved her, and Victoria loved him back. Here's the recipe for Victoria Franken's Snifftastic Flower Slime. If you want, pause the video or have your parents take a screenshot so you'll know how to make Snifftastic Flower Slime. This is the recipe for Victoria's mouth-watering chocolate slime. It looks pretty yummy to me. Again, either pause the video or have your parents take a screenshot so that you could maybe try some mouth-watering chocolate slime. And last, here is magical fairy slime. This looks pretty cool. It's got glitter. This reminds me of the slime that I made. So if you want, stay tuned to watch Gigi make some slime. And you can try it too.
Thanks for joining me today to read Valenslime. She didn't make just one friend for Goop, did she? She made several. That's so nice. But the best part is she and Goop were still the best of friends. Well, make sure you watch to the end because Gigi's gonna make some goop or slime and you can learn how too. Thanks for watching. Keep reading and I'll see you soon. Something's arrived in the Magic Mailbox. Let's see what it is. Super cool slime. Oh, that does look super cool. Let's take a look at it. Oh, here's some green, kind of green shimmery slime. That's pretty cool. And then this one, it's kind of pink and yellow. And then this one is a purple. That's a beautiful purple color, isn't it? Well, let's open it up. Oh, look at that. Is it gonna come out?
Keep watching. We're making slime next.
When you pull on it, it's so squishy, slimy. That's why it's called slime, huh? Oh, and it's cold in my hand. That is so cool. Well, did you know that you can make slime? Well, let's make some slime together. Okay, everyone, so I have gathered all of the ingredients that we need to make some slime. We're gonna need a couple of tablespoons of contact solution. Contact solution is what people put on their contacts that they wear in their eyes to help them see. So we're gonna use a little bit of that. And then we need 4 ounces. We're gonna make some glitter slime. So this is glitter glue, but you can use regular glue too. But we're gonna make some purple glitter glue slime. We're gonna need 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and then a cup of water, a bowl, a mixing spatula, and some measuring spoons. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to take 1 cup. This is 1 cup of hot water. We're gonna pour it in the bowl, and then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda to it and dissolve that. Dissolve means it's going to melt in the water. So let's see, we've got 1, and here we go, 2. All right, let's stir that up and see if we can get it to dissolve or melt. And then the next step, we have to let this hot water get to room temperature. So that means it can't be very hot. It has to be just kind of cool and a little bit warm. And so then we'll be ready to do the next step.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we are ready for the next step. I went ahead and poured the water and baking soda back into the cup measure because I need the bowl to mix something else. So we are going to do 4 ounces of the glitter glue. This is 6 ounces. So if there are 6 ounces and we only need 4, that means we're going to have 2 ounces left in the bottle after I pour it in. So let's go ahead and pour that in the bowl. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can get it to, ooh, that looks pretty cool. It kind of looks like slime already. Looks like that purple slime we looked at earlier from the Magic Mailbox. Ooh, it's so glittery. All right, so I need to check and make sure we're not getting too much. We should have, you know, a couple ounces left. It's hard to tell. We'll do just a little bit more. All right. There we go. That is so cool. Okay, so there's our glue. And now we're going to add the 3 tablespoons of contact solution. Okay, here we go. You can help me count. All right, here's 1. Fill it all the way to the top. There's 1. Let's go ahead and stir a little bit in between, don't you think? All right. Oh boy. It's looking a little bit like slime, but the glue kind of looked like slime already, didn't it? Okay, so there's 1 tablespoon. So how many do we have left? We're going to do 3, and we've already done 1, so we still have 2 left. Let's go ahead and get the second one in here. All right, we're gonna pour this in. All right, get it all the way to the top. Okay, this is number 2. There we go. Let's give it a little stir. It's kind of like baking, isn't it? Okay, so there's the 2nd tablespoon. Okay, doesn't really smell, so it doesn't smell like when you're baking. Okay, so we have done 2 tablespoons already, right? But we still need to do 3 tablespoons. So if we've done 1, 2, how many do we need to get to 3? Just 1 more. All right, let's do it. Okay, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Fill it, fill it, fill it all the way to the top. All right, here we go. Okay, so we gotta stir this up some more. Okay. Can you see how that's looking? It's getting a little waterier. Sure is pretty. Okay, so I think now we're ready for the last step. And the last step is to take our water that we mixed with the baking soda, remember that? We're going to add a little bit at a time into this bowl until it gets to the slimy consistency, okay? Because right now, if we were to pick this up, it would be so sticky because it's glue. It's just glue and some contact solution. So let's try doing the next step, adding a little bit of water at a time. Okay, so we are going to add just 1 tablespoon at a time. And we're going to stir it up. See what that does. I've never made slime before, so this is exciting. Oh, I can tell it is changing the consistency to look a little bit more like slime now. It's starting to be thicker. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. Look, can you tell when it's moving around the bowl? It's acting a little differently now that it has a little bit of the baking soda and water in there. Well, let's try adding another tablespoon and see. I'm gonna blow on it just a little bit because it's supposed to be room temperature. So we wanna make sure it's not warm, right? All right, let's add it in and stir it. Oh, it's starting to stick a little to the bowl. This is super cool. And I'm going to put the recipe so that if you want to try this at home, you can make some slime too. Well, I think that I need to actually get my fingers in here. Look at that, it's sticking to the thing. Oh, I can tell. I'm gonna have to switch it around a little bit and see what happens. Oh my goodness, this feels so slimy. Look at that. This is super cool. I hope that you'll have a chance one day to make your own slime, because I can tell this would be a lot of fun to play with. You know, I'm not sure why they had us use so much water, because I don't think we need that much. It's already pretty squishy. Look at that. Well, thank you for joining me to try making slime together. I really enjoyed that. As a Gigi, I love doing things with you guys and my grandkids too. Well, I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.